Welcome back to another quick tip. Enhancing realism in a rendering is something a lot of KeyShot users strive for, and one of the best ways to do so is by using depth of field. Depth of field is a really important aspect of photography, and therefore it can be really important in your renderings. It's something we don't quite realize is happening in the real world and in photographs, but it is, so let's learn how to capture that in KeyShot. Depth of field can be found in the Camera tab of your project window. I suggest setting up your camera first, then turning on depth of field. We can think of depth of field as telling us how much of the scene will be in focus in the foreground, in front of the object, and then in the background, behind the object. First, select the crosshairs icon in order to set your focus point in the real-time view. In this image, I'm clicking on the two batteries in the front. Now I'm going to work on adjusting the f-stop. This will add softness to the foreground and background of your scene. Here are a couple variations I put together, all with different f-stop values. This is the image without depth of field turned on. You can feel that it's missing something. Now here's the image with the default f-stop of just 1. The image has a very shallow depth of field. We can hardly tell what's going on in the background, and we're losing some of the details on these batteries in the front. On the other end, with a greater f-stop, something like 30, we're getting a large depth of field. The background and foreground are much sharper here, but the focus on these front batteries is kind of lost. For an image like this, we might land on an f-stop somewhere around 10, but this value will depend on your personal scene. The depth of field really helps to draw the eye towards those front two batteries. When you're adjusting the focus point and f-stop, it might help to open the geometry view. Here you'll get a better visual representation of where exactly the focus and softness will occur. Something to remember is that if you adjust your camera, the focus point will change. To prevent this, just lock your camera when you have those depth of field settings nailed down. As you've seen, depth of field can easily take an image like this and turn it into something a bit more eye-catching. It actually might be one of the easiest things to take advantage of in KeyShot when trying to enhance photorealism. So when you're looking to bring an image to that next level, don't forget to try out depth of field. Thanks for watching this KeyShot quick tip. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends.